In order to check the activation date on Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we can open settings on your phone. Now over here in the settings, the first thing that you can do is you can go to About Phone, and then in here you can find battery information, and sometimes you can see the date of first use, which can be the indicator when was the phone activated for the first time. However, this can be inaccurate actually, as you can even read over here a little description. Due to factory inspections before delivery, it may show that your device was used before you set it up, and it seems to be the case for me as well, because it was set up in September 15th, 2025, and you know, right now we are in 2026 and the phone just got out, so you know, it was impossible to use it like that. And the second way to check the activation date in case the battery information is incorrect, we can go to your Google account over here. So if you open settings at the top, we can go to your Google account to open Google services. You want to tap on your profile in here, on your account in there, and then choose manage your Google account. Now, this method allows you to check the activation date if you used the selected account for the first time once you got your phone. So if you got your phone and you sign up by using this account that is selected, of course you can change the account by tapping on this arrow. Then you can go to security and sign in. And if you scroll down, you should be able to find sessions on Android phones. So we're gonna select that. In here you should be able to find your current session, which is supposed to be Google Pixel 10a, of course. You might need to verify yourself by using screen lock password or biometrics. And then we have the first sign-in date in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.